This thing hasn't been started for a week. That shit. Oh my. Can't believe it. My gas gauge, the ground must be off of it or something. Or that it's just, I don't know. It's not fucking working. Hell yeah, baby. My skull friend here agrees. Well, anyway, welcome to the Garlet's High Performance Garage channel. Figured I'd start this bitch and fill my fucking garage full of smoke again. Because it just smokes and smokes and smokes. I think it's because there's a bunch of gas in the crankcase. That's probably it. So, you know. The decorative shit in here. Everything's backwards. When I do the film on myself, it's all backwards on these fucking Android phones. I guess it'd be the same for the Apple iPhones. They all suck too. Doesn't matter, they're all assembled by 12-year-old Chinese kids. So, it doesn't matter. So you want to hear it? That's bad gas. Really bad gas. As you can hear. Yeah. A Sony stereo. Ooh, that doesn't work. A Henry rifle in here. A Henry rifle, plenty ammo. Man, the thermostat is stuck shut in this thing too. I gotta replace that. Wow. Yeah, it's really smoky behind me. It's the eerie fog. Ooh. Anyway. I got my, son of a bitch. Got my, bed painted today. Of course, I slopped it all up and oh well, looks better than what it did. So, wow. What, oh my. Look at all this shit on the floor. For me revving it up. Just revving it. Ugh. Is that oil? Nope. It's just condensation. It is not oil. Although, you know, you could have fooled me. I think it was. But anyway. Here we are. My poorly maintained yard. The grass grown up and wood chunks laying everywhere. I really love these trucks. There's just nothing like a 67 to 72 Chevrolet pickup. There's nothing like them. They are very highly sought after, and people were insane over them. So yeah. Oh yeah. It's like spider repellent. Oh man. I started this thing for over a week. Let's see what the fuck happens, shall we? Bendix in the starter. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, motherfucker. There you go, you cold start junkies. We got her. I guess I shouldn't have revved all this shit up. My daughter's in there taking a nap in the house, and she's probably waking up wondering where the fuck everybody is. I even fired up. Look at this. I even fired up the old 84 today. So yeah. All right, everybody. That's all I got for you. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever. And the battle continues on that truck. So we got to change oil, get all this bad gas out of it. Hopefully I can run it out of there soon. And we'll see where this bullshit takes us. What I'd like to know is how they make so many cans of paint that are like damn near the same shade. But I can't match that fucking paint right there. I might end up going to like a Car Quest and having them mix me up some acrylic enamel or something. That's what was on it anyway, but yeah. Maybe mix a can or two of acrylic enamel, just spray over it. It don't matter, I guess. Who gives a fuck? But anyhow, everybody, have a good one. Have an awesome rest of your weekend. It is May the whatever. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what the fuck the date is. I usually never do. I just wake up day to day, do my thing. So, everybody have a good one.